Okay, part 3 of the Admeral clothes dryer. I'm into the ducting here, and as you can see, it's not all that bad. There's a little bit of stuff back there, and there was some still right here that didn't actually blow through, but that's okay. Very little in here. So I'll just clean that out as best I can. Better to use a shot back there, but I don't feel like walking around the entire house to go in the garage and get it, and it's not all that bad off. So what my problem is, since I'm having it after 3 years of use here, everybody else is probably going to be having this too with the same Admiral dryer. Admirable. It's not very admirable, really. Anyway, so this, you can see there's the lines right there on the drum. I don't know if I can get the light just right. What's happening is that that's rubbing right there where the duct is, and I guess there's some things here where this rides on the drum where it's been wore out. Let's see if I can raise it up there. You can see that. See, that's what's causing the problem. So we'll see what happens. See what I gotta do to fix it.